use them?
Ma'am, because Peter, Juan, and Mary is an example of a person, ma'am.
Why? Because it is?
So now,
It's a noun because it's
it's a name.
the name of
Proper noun, ma'am.
proper noun.
Person.
Name of proper
Basta,
noun.
sige, sundan mo lang kanina.
This is a
Sample
example of
person.
noun because this is example of name of person. Name of
Names.
name of Okay. Siguro nagtataka kayo kung bakit kasal yung idea.
Particular.
But although ideas are thoughts lang ang ideas and cannot be seen, but still, this is a part of a noun.
Feelings mo na siya.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
That's all.
Wait. Any comment, violent reaction?
Okay.
Question, clarification is not allowed.
Why?
All of that is in the last part, is in the last of the discussion. So we can flow directly to the point. So you can maintain mga kanya kung saan dito. So okay lang? Okay lang ba? Hindi okay lang?
Okay lang. Okay lang. Okay lang.
Okay lang. Pwede teacher doon.
Talaga.
Okay, form one. Let's proceed. Forms of noun. What are the forms of noun? We have proper noun.
Is it the same? Is it the same as kinds?
No, it's not the same with kinds. Forms and kinds is not. It's differently.
What is form?
I told you a while ago that comment and question is not allowed.
So how much I understand that
Okay, let's proceed. Forms of noun. Forms of noun.
What are those, madam?
Are you in a hurry?
Yes, I am the parent.
Are you in a hurry? Forms of noun. No, it's not kinds. Forms of noun. So,
Ibuta mo visual aid ma'am butong sa form.
so I don't have visual aid of that because it's simple.
Wow.
Forms of noun. I know you can do you know this, but forms of noun is singular,
Plural noun. Plural noun.
What is forms of noun?
Singular at plural noun.
Okay, when one says singular, what is singular?
Single word.
And then what only answer? Okay, anyone?
Go please. Okay.
Other hands.
Okay.
Okay,
Answer.
what is singular?
Singular is represent a single name of noun.
The name of noun? Other ideas? From animation. From animation? Okay, from ICT. Other hand? Yes?
Ada hand sa lip na puni mo.
Singular?
Oh,
The word itself singular. But I want specific. Singular. Okay, singular is only one. Right? Singular is only one. Singular is only two. Tama? Singular is only two.
It's plural.
Singular only
One.